All right, everybody, it's Alexi Balian here. I'd like to continue with a little more complexity, more detail in our animations. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. Here we are. We're somewhere here. Meaning, here's my shot. I have an A. I have a cube on the left, cube on the right. One hits the other. There's a reaction, and we're trying to incorporate a number of principles of animation. We're quite comfortable right now in terms of the overall movement and the timing, but we're finding it that weight is not apparent. Weight is not apparent, so the impact here and the reaction seem they're both kind of slow. The beat is there's no change in the beat. It's kind of let's just say there isn't enough change, okay? And so impact as well. So if I just press play here, it just goes up, boom, hits. It's a nice action, but let's make it more interesting, okay? And this time we have to do a couple things. We need to change our timing in here. The spacing is cool, the arcs are nice, but the timing is a little slow. That's what you guys said to me, so it's time for me to improve it, all right? So I'm just gonna quickly save this demo here, 02. It's go time, something like that. Okay, just have fun with it. All right, so a couple things here. Let's look at this, and let's look at first 20 frames, nothing is happening. And we go back, I think we slide back for anticipation, 5 frames. We hold for 2, we squash for 3, and what happens after the squash? Let's see, I'm just gonna press period here. And it's a hold for the squash, and then a stretch, and goes up from 37 to 43 for midpoint of the flight here. So you see here, 37. If I hold Alt or Option, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12 by the time the second impact takes place. Okay, so I'm just holding Option again or Alt. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for hang time. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before it even hits. 1, 2, 1, 2 here. And then, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off maybe 3 frames right now. So the way to shave frames, or remember what we said. We were going to click once in the spot that we want the change to take place. Hold Shift, left click, and drag. Okay, again, I'm going to click out. Click in here once, hold Shift, left drag on my mouse, left button drag, and it should light up. Next thing we do is we hover right here in the middle here. We hold middle scroll button down, and let's just bring it in a few 3 frames or something. Let's count now. Okay, ready? So here, we'll come over here. I'll just have to click on it to deselect the red bar. So from here to here is 6 frames, we know. So I'm just going to hold Alt here, my Windows computer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's not bad. So from here, the interesting here. So I may have to speed up this part here. Here, 47 to 50, it's 3 frames. It's going to highlight this and maybe bring it in by even more. Okay, so all together, let's see how fast the snappiness is going to take place here. Boom, it hits. So what you see, it goes up, boom, really fast. Wow, this is really speeding things up, people. Look at that action. Good, there's a bit of weight there happening. Quick, and again, the gravity pulls you down, and we're just emphasizing it. We're over-exaggerating. It's not a problem. We notice that right now, this whole event is ending at 50. So I'm guessing that the blue cube doesn't do anything till a different number, which is 54. I'm going to hold Shift, and without thinking about time, I'm just going to bring everything down to 50. Everything slides to 50, okay? So here we go. Let's watch this. Now the action, boom, hits and takes off. So notice how slow the blue goes up and comes back. So there's not much change in the beat. So let's see here. Alt or Option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what I may want to do, pardon me, is reduce the speed right here. So if it goes up 6 frames, I may even bring that down to 5. So let's go up in the air for 5, not 4. We may end up doing that. And then from here on in, I may just shave another frame. Let's see what happens here. And I'm just going to hold Alt again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I may even shade that by 1 frame here. Just see. I haven't really taken a play blast yet, so we'll have to see. And I'm not going to touch this part yet. I could speed that up. You guys told me to speed it up, so why don't we just do that? Shave 2 frames off for now, and then so it's a 6 frame slide. Okay, I'll slide this down, spin around a bit. Watch this whole piece. You guys did some cool stuff where it goes off the edge, the blue goes off the edge, it teeter-totters, and then boom, goes over. That's really cool. So let's check out our timing here. 1, it's up, it's fast, not bad. Okay, so why don't I just create a 73 frames here, and I'm just going to create a play blast right now. Just see, demo, I'm just going to go 02, go time. Let's have fun with this. Let's see what happens. Okay, play it. There it goes, frame by frame. That's it. Something weird happened there. But anyway, let's see what's going on here. All right, let's watch this. 1, boom. Wow, that was fast. The red's good. I'm happy with the red. Not so much with the blue. So I need the blue to react a little faster. Okay, no problem. Let's save this. Let's not lose this. Okay, bring this up. Let's see. So it went up in like 5 frames, right? So let's just do this maybe 3 frames, and then shave another frame off here. Shift, select, middle scroll, boom, over, and let's see what happens here. Okay, let's look at this. All right, play. Not bad. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's just Command Control Shift S, I mean, and save this 03 go time. Okay, and we'll take a play blast now, and we'll call it 03 as well, so we have an example of our progress, and press apply. In the meantime, I'm going to check how much time is going on here. 7. Okay, cool. You can slide down. Thank you. Let's watch this for now. 1, 2, boom. Okay, cool. Let's go with that. Okay, we can tweak more, but I'm quite happy with this. Now I need to go back and apply my knowledge into the graph editor. See if we can tweak things even more. Okay, so here we go. This is an important step, guys. Graph editor. Let's fix this up. X, Y are the ones that are being animated, and one of these rotates. I think this one. Okay, cool. So on the X, you guys know. Let's look at this here. Let's scrub in here, and that slide back is slow out and slow in. I'm okay with that. It comes here, and then it has something happening here. So let's just zoom in here, pressing F. Okay, so I'm going to come in here and just break the tangents right off the bat. And I'm going to take this guy here, and I'm going to speed him up here. I'm going to make it a diagonal force, so it means it's one steady. And here it looks like if you scrub back, so boom, and it slows. So here's what it does. Look, it slows out and slows into that drop. So we want to change that. We want to make this impact go hard, fast. Okay, and let's see what I can do here. Did I break this? Probably. Yeah, I have. I'll just break for sure. Yep. I'm bringing that across, and this one I'm flattening it. So you can always hit the flat line. Ooh, don't go below the line. All right, cool. So let's see this. Boom. Okay, so let's see the Y now. This is the one. Okay, same thing. Let's come back here, and this act here, I'm going to speed it up. Slow out here, maybe. I mean, speed up here. Let's just go break this and go. Sharp, buddy. This one, we want to sharpen it out. We know that. Guys, whatever you do not play around up here. We don't want this to be a sharp. I don't want it to hit a wall. I want it to hang. Okay, I saw a number of you going here and then doing something like this. Look, like sharpening this out. Okay, you don't have to do that, that means like we're hitting a wall and bouncing down. I don't want that to happen. So let's leave it flat so we can hang. The key is we accelerate, we hang, we accelerate down here in the impact moment. So let's see, boom, right there. So here, make sure you have brake on. I've done this so many times that, there we go. And then we'll do this one too, come down, including the one down here. And then we break that, click, break the tangent, come across, and then I don't mind the other one being a slow out if you want, but if you don't want to, you can speed it up. Awesome. Okay, I think there's a rotate somewhere here. Okay, let's see this rotation here. Boom, 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 boom. Right about 35. We rotate, slow out. It's not bad. And then here, I'm gonna maybe make this break it. Just see how it goes here. Even the rotation. Let's accelerate it, and let's do that on the impact too. Okay. So at the hit here, boom, break, and let's make this hard too. And let's play it. Let's see. So we're going to do the same thing for the blue cube, and then we're done. We're done here. You guys get this far, I'm going to be so impressed, my Gr10s. You guys are awesome. Boom. Okay, good. I'm feeling a lot more weight happening here. Good. Because we played with the tangent curves. Okay, so let's do the same thing for the blue cube and wrap this up, people. X. Ooh, look at that. Just goes out slow, slows out, speeds up, slows down, speeds up. Okay, so this is the area I want to work with. F for frame, and let's just break them all. Break tangents. See ya. Okay, here. Let's go. Diagonal. Diagonal. Right there. Good. Steady speed here. Consistent. Right there. Comes across, and let's see what's happening here. I always have my scrubber in the area where I'm working on. It goes like that. I'm okay with that to slow out. Slow in to a stop. Or speed out here. And slow. Okay. So let's check the Y. Oh yeah, right there. We know from our ball exercise that we break this tangent here. And then break it. Give it a nice sharp impact here as well. Break. Come up. Come over. And then let's make this one diagonal down like that again, and then here. Yeah, these aren't bad actually. So I just sped it up there and slow down. And not bad. I can even continue here. I can sharpen this one too if I want. Let me just break this first. Bling, right there. And then we'll let it slow out and slow into a stop. Okay, am I gonna go rotate somewhere here? Okay, let's do the same thing here. And I could have done both at the same time, but let's just do that. Nice hang time. And then one more here. Boom. Bring it up here again. Leave that hang nice. Leave that alone. Okay, let's check this out. Control Shift S. This is 04. And it's graph editor. Graph. Okay. So now I'm gonna scrub back. Right click, play blast. And 100%. Wow, I don't remember putting that in, but that's okay. Yeah, that's cool. And I'm going to say 04 graph editor. Sorry about the resolution here, guys. Here we go. Let's see this. One, boom, boom. All right, let's check it out. Yeah. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I'm okay with this. Okay, guys, enjoy this. Have fun with it. Let your creativity flourish here. Do whatever you want. This is the basics. If you get this far, you got a level 3 plus, baby. Yeah, right there. Like one, up, down, reaction. Pretty fast. We can still play around. This is good enough for tutorials, okay, from me. Oh boy, 14 minutes. Thank you. Balian out.